Hello there, everyone. I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law, and today I want to talk to you about home security systems and estate planning. So estate planning really does help bring peace of mind and a sense of security, both during your lifetime and beyond. Now, none of us can predict our fate, but we can at least dictate how our money and our property will be distributed and ensure that we provide for our loved ones. Now, physical security is a big part of feeling emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually secure. More Americans have a home security system than actually have an estate plan. If we do not protect our property in the here and now, then it won't be ours, and it won't be there for us to pass on later. Now, end-of-life situations can present thieves with opportunities to take advantage of vulnerable families. A home security system can fit nicely into estate planning goals, providing an extra layer of protection when we are gone, both temporarily and permanently. Now let's talk about whether you are protected from property and crime. Now, property crimes are the leading type of crime in the United States. Every year, around 2.5 million homes are burglarized. A break-in occurs every 26 seconds, and a burglary occurs every 15 seconds. Yet fewer than half of Americans have a home security system. In 2021, approximately $737 billion worth of property was reported stolen in residential burglaries. The top items taken by thieves were vehicles, cash, clothing, jewelry, household goods, office equipment, and electronics. Police solve only about 1 out of 8 reported burglary cases. Now, criminals are keenly aware of which homes have a security system and which do not. According to criminology research, more than 80% of would-be burglars check for an alarm before attempting a burglary, and 60% say they look for an alternate target if a property has an alarm. Now, most burglars say they would break off an intrusion in progress upon discovering a home security system. Those of you who have a home security system are definitely ahead of the curve. A survey commissioned by YouGov found that just 38% of Americans own a home security product. However, that number is higher than the roughly 1/3 of Americans who actually have that estate plan. Now, if you have both a home security system and an estate plan, then you're probably proactive about planning for possible contingencies. But if you have not incorporated your security system into your estate plan, you should do that as soon as possible. Now, that being said, you want to give access to a trusted decision maker. You may have already given a house sitter, a pet sitter, a friend, or a neighbor access to your security system. While they can enable and disable the alarm on an emergency basis, decision makers you have designated in your estate plan to act on your behalf, such as a personal representative, or trustee, or guardian, or financial and medical power of attorney agent, may need access as well. In fact, a trusted decision maker may have a legal duty to keep your property secure in accordance with your wishes, which can include using the security system. Or if you do not have a system currently, but wish to incorporate security technology as an added layer of protection after your death or incapacity, you can specify that in your estate plan. Now, when providing access to a security system that you installed, make sure the person you are entrusting has all of the information that you need. Wired systems are typically operated with a password-protected control pad. Wireless systems can be controlled through a smart device app that requires login credentials. There are also systems monitored 24/7 by a professional security company that calls you or a neighbor or a friend or a family member to verify an alert. With a monitored system, you provide the company with the contact information of somebody other than you who can actually receive those alerts. Now, an empty and unsecured house is enticing to criminals. Security system costs are an expense of the estate. Depending on their features, they run between $250 to $2,000, exclusive of any of those monthly fees. Now, this may be money well spent protecting your property. Authorities have warned in recent years of thieves using public obituaries and social media posts to target the homes of deceased people. Burglars are more likely to break into a home that they know is unoccupied. It can take months for a family to go through a loved one's home, and inventory everything in it as part of the estate administration process. In between visits, the property may be more prone to break-ins. Now, in addition to installing a security system to deter crime, you may also instruct your family and friends to avoid excessive sharing of obituary information. Keep the circle of trust close because cyber snoops could be digitally casing your house, ready to strike at a very vulnerable moment. Security and peace of mind go hand in hand. Having a plan in place that incorporates wills, trusts, powers of attorney, advance directives, and other legal documentation helps eliminate some of life's uncertainty. Without an estate plan, you're leaving your legacy to chance. In death as in life, the smallest details can make the biggest difference. A will is just the beginning of a strong, well thought out estate plan. When the time comes for your loved ones to deal with your estate may prove ineffective if they do not have access to your home security system and other account information. Our lawyers can help you put together an estate plan that leaves nothing out, including your digital property, home systems, and personal accounts. To ensure that every T is crossed and every I is dotted in your estate plan, you want to reach out to your local estate planning attorney in your area, or if you're in Massachusetts or New Hampshire, please feel free to give us a call to schedule an appointment to help you with your estate plan. I want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our page below if you want to learn more about estate planning and how it can benefit your family. Till next time, I'm attorney Kelly Longtin, founder of Kelly Longtin Law, where we provide effective estate planning for everyday families.